The traditional forms of marketing are now gone. People now want to consume content that is relevant to them, which is the personalized content. So this is where content marketing assumes importance because it helps you create personalized experiences for your readers. Hey, my name is Shobit. I am from Digital Marketing Lane, and in this first video of the 2 video series, I will be talking about the content marketing importance and how SEMrush can help you achieve your content marketing goals. Stay tuned. Let us first try to understand what is content marketing. Content marketing is a process where a set of activities are performed that includes content planning, content creation, publishing the content, then content distribution, and measuring content performance. Content marketing is different from the traditional ways of marketing, and it is now a popular way for businesses to reach their audience. So let me explain you why content marketing is important in 2020 and beyond. As a business owner, content marketing can help you in many ways, like creating personalized user experiences, increasing your sales, driving engagements, organic traffic, etc. Or on a more granular level, content marketing helps you create a personalized and SEO optimized content that is loved by your audience and search engine. Content marketing helps your content reach the right audience and educates them about your business, be it a product or a service. At last, content marketing helps to build trust amongst your users for your brand because you deliver right content, answer their questions, and establish your authority in your niche. A very good example is the SEMrush blog. Let us have a quick look at their blog. So this is the SEMrush blog. SEMrush publishes blog posts that explains the importance of using SEMrush tools for keyword analysis, content marketing, and much more. They create different types of content, like they create blog posts, then there are webinars, there are podcasts, there are ebooks, they conduct events and games. Let's scroll down. There was a post published on email outreach, and we can see that they have covered the basics of email outreach, like what is email outreach, the golden rules, why email outreach is important. Also in the content, they have mentioned that how using the SEMrush link building tool, one can find the outreach prospects. So this is a very good usage of content marketing where you create content to educate your audience about your product. For content distribution, SEMrush has different channels, like they are on YouTube where they create videos. They're also on Facebook, and then they're also on Twitter. These channels make sure that they distribute content very effectively with their audience, and thus they are really on top of their content marketing game. Now let's get back and see how you can set up an effective content marketing strategy using SEMrush Content Marketing Toolkit. In general, what an effective content marketing strategy consists of? A content marketing strategy consists of various steps to ensure your content marketing efforts give you desired results. As an example, start your content marketing journey by setting up some SMART goals. Now, these goals can be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So don't worry, these are some very simple terms, and we will be covering these terms in detail as we advance in this video. For example, what your SMART goal could be? Now, SMART goal could be to increase conversions and boost revenue, or you want to improve the brand loyalty, or you want to collaborate with your strategic partners. Next is, you must determine the KPIs. That is, you need to decide the measurable and objective KPIs or the data points that can help you measure your content performance. So let us see what your KPIs could be. If your SMART goal is increasing conversions and boost revenue, then the KPI is site traffic or daily sales. If you want to improve brand loyalty, then returning customers could be the KPI that you should be tracking. If you want to collaborate with your strategic partners, then the number of backlinks your website gains is the right KPI that will give you an idea that if your content marketing strategy is working or not. Now when you're done setting up your SMART goals and determining the KPIs, next step is to advance further in your content marketing journey. So as you advance in your content marketing strategy, the steps are content planning, where you plan your content and you go for content audit or repurpose the existing content. Then you get into content research, where you perform keyword research, you identify the trending topics, you do competitor analysis and get the content ideas. Then comes the content distribution, where you find out the brands that mention your website, you try to acquire backlinks, you post on social media, you also go for social listening. The last step in this journey is to measure your content performance, that is how your content is performing. For this, you need to track your post performance, you need to collaborate on marketing campaigns, and then after you have measured your performance, you need to revise and improve. If we talk about the content marketing toolkit provided by the SEMrush, it provides a complete set of tools that suits very aptly with your content marketing needs. For example, the content audit tool or the SEO content template helps you with content planning. Then there is Keyword Magic tool, the topic research tool, domain overview tool, and the SEO writing assistant that helps you with content research and ideation. Next, the brand monitoring tool and the social media poster helps you to track the brands that mention your website or to track the social media post. Then you have a post tracking tool and marketing calendar. So the post tracking tool is a very useful tool that helps you to track the performance of your post. Let us now have a look at the content marketing toolkit the SEMrush has. So this is the content marketing platform provided by SEMrush. So guys, content marketing toolkit only comes with the Guru plans. It is not the part of SEMrush Pro plan. Let's have a quick look at the toolkit that comes with the content marketing platform. So there is a topic research, there is a SEO content template, then there is SEO writing assistant, the brand monitoring, post tracking, and content audit tool. Let us see them one by one. So it starts with the topic research tool. This is where you can do topic research to get content ideas and identify the trending topics. Topic research tool gives you the different subtopics where you can create content, the headline ideas, and questions that people are asking in different online forums. Next is a marketing calendar. Marketing calendar is a small project management tool where you can create tasks and assign tasks and track the completion. So in case you don't need a complex project planning tool like Monday.com or Asana, SEMrush does a pretty good job here. So here you can plan your activities, you can assign tasks to the teammates that you have added, and then you'll get right notifications here. A good collaboration tool indeed. Then there is an SEO content template. So all you have to do is you need to enter your keywords, select the country, and click on this button of create SEO template. This content template will give you tips on the SEO recommendations for the question or the seed keyword that we have entered here. It will also give the keyword recommendations like the semantically related keywords that your article should have. Now, backlinks, all these websites where you should try to acquire backlinks so that you can rank. It will give you a recommendation on the readability, what the readability score should be, optimal text length of your article. It also gives recommendation on the HTML tag tips like the page title, meta description, H1 tags, and the text tag. Next is SEO Writing Assistant. SEO Writing Assistant is a fantastic tool because it analyzes your content on parameters like readability, SEO. Then you can do a plagiarism check here. It gives you a readability score that tells if your content is difficult to read or easy to read, and it also helps you identify the tone or the voice of your content. Now these are some good metrics, and if in case you use Grammarly, so these are the terms or these are the metrics that even Grammarly shows you. So SEMrush is also doing a pretty good job here. You do not need a specific grammar checker tool if in case you are buying SEMrush Guru plan. Next comes the brand monitoring tool here. So I have entered the HubSpot.com in my brand monitoring tool because I wanted to monitor how HubSpot is performing on the social media. So I can see in the last 2 months there are around 3.8k mentions, 959 backlinks HubSpot has gained. Now amongst this 3.8k, around 1000 is a positive mention. It gives me an insight on the estimated reach and the top domains that are talking about HubSpot. Then comes the post tracking tool. So this tool helps you to track the performance of your post in metrics like social shares, backlinks, and other insights. You can easily track the performance of your post in terms of keywords, and then you can reveal their estimated reach and the referral traffic. Trust me, this information you get from one single place that is very helpful to create an effective content marketing strategy. At last, you have a content audit tool that highlights the areas of improvement of your blog post. It actually identifies the old post that needs to be rewritten or to be removed. It gives you insights on metrics like the number of pages you have, number of shares you have got on social media, count of backlinks, the bounce rate, and different insights from Google Search Console or Google Analytics. Here, you can also create tasks and assign it to the teammates. So guys, this was all about the first part of the video where we covered about SEMrush Content Marketing Toolkit. We looked at the content marketing basics and explored the various tools which are present in the content marketing toolkit offered by SEMrush. That's it guys. Make sure you watch part 2 of the video where I will be setting up a content marketing strategy live and will show you how you can do the same. Stay tuned.